Hi everyone, I'm so sorry I can't be at chapter. I'm actually very sad about it, but that's why I'm doing this, so you can still hear my lovely voice. So this week, the theme was biggest fears, and I really don't like moths. First of all, look at him, then look at him, then look at him. As a child, I really thought, I heard that they could eat clothes, and then I really thought they would, eat my entire closet, then, look for more clothes, and, eat my pajamas, and, eat me. I don't know. I was very afraid. Anyways, there's this form as always. Excuse me. My goodness. There's this form as always to see what you want to see. If you haven't filled it out yet, please do it. I think I have about 6 responses, but that's okay. I'll take those 6. And then if you ever want to host a fellowship again, that's just organizing it, then telling me so I can put it on APO Online, and then you can just do it. If you want to host a Bros Do Homework, just let me know. If you want to host a fellowship, yeah, a fellowship. If you'd like to host some sort of trivia or a movie night or a craft, let me know. I'll schedule it on the calendar. I'll buy the stuff if you need stuff, and we'll be good to go. It's not too bad. Not too bad. And if you do that, I can come, and I'll have fun too. Upcoming, look at your October calendar. I added a few thingies. That should be fun. And the soonest one is Bros Do Trivia. It's on a Thursday this time, and it's in Olds Camp 223. Next is Keep Hanging with Bros. I love seeing all the Hang with Bros pics. Like all of these. These are all our Hang with Bros of September. Look at everyone's gorgeous faces. Love to see it. Okay, that's my time. Thank you all for listening. Sorry this was weird. Have a good night.